Good morning dear students. Today we are performing a practical in physics. The aim of the practical, which is written on the board, to determine the density of solid in bracket I have written denser than water. It means the solid body which I have chosen, its density is more than water. So to determine the density of solid by using spring balance and measuring cylinder. So the requirement for this practical is the spring balance and measuring cylinder. Here I am taking a solid body as a spherical ball. A thread I have connected to suspend it on the spring balance and to dip it inside the measuring cylinder. So these three requirements are there for performing this practical. Let's begin with the practical. Firstly, what we have to do, we just suspend this spherical body on the spring balance and we will measure the mass of this body. Here two scales are given, first is gram, second is Newton. So for calculation of density, we will choose the scale where the grams is written. Kids, along with the aim here, two observation tables I have made. One observation table is the calculator for observing the mass, and second observation table is there for the observation of volume. So mass we will determine with the spring balance and volume we will determine with the measuring cylinder. Let's begin the practical. Initial reading is the reading of the spring balance when not any body is suspended on it. Final reading after suspending this spherical body, whatever will be the reading, just like that. For the volume, initial reading when no body is sink inside, no body is dip inside this liquid. The liquid I have taken as water, and final reading, it means after sinking or after dipping, whatever the value will come on the measuring cylinder. And the difference, initial and final reading will give you the mass, the same for the volume also. So here, firstly I have suspended this body on that spring balance. Initial reading of the spring balance is 0. So in the first observation I have mentioned, initial reading, the first observation is 0. Then I have suspended the body. The result after suspending the body is coming 75 grams. So the first observation after suspending the block on the spring balance is 75 grams. This is my first observation. So the mass will be final reading minus initial reading. It is when we have suspended on the spring balance minus the initial value. So as the initial value is 0, so the result will be same, but sometimes it happens that there is error in the spring balance. So always it is not indicating to the 0. So in that case, whatever value will come, you have to subtract it from the final reading. So for this case, final mass minus initial mass, that is 75 minus 0, it is coming 75. This is my first observation. Now second, again I will suspend it. And I will check at least 3 observations I will take. So if there is any scope for the error, it will be removed. Or there will be no scope of error. Even the second is also coming the same as 75 gram. If it is coming less, then also don't worry. Initial reading again 0 and the reading is 75. Now the third 3 observation I am taking. I told you as for the observations, as less the scope for error. Again it is on the 0. I have suspended. It is the same because it is a new instrument. So the spring is fixed. There is no expansion in it. The third result is also 0 and 75. Let's calculate. Here also the same. 75 minus 0 is 75. Better don't bother if the result, while performing the practical, if result is coming a bit different. It happened by the personal error or any instrumental error. So we are taking the multiple observation just to remove the error. The third observation will also same minus 0 is 75. So What we have to do, we will find the arithmetic mean. From here, mean will be the sum of all this. 75 plus 75 plus 75 divided by the number of observation, which is 3. So somehow it is coming 75 gram. That is the mass of the spherical body which we have chosen. Now what we have to do, once we have found the mass, we will calculate the volume. Here a measuring cylinder I took, in which I filled water. The water is filled till a certain level. Here it is 80 cc or cubic centimeter. So initial reading of my liquid which I filled is 80 centimeter. Sorry, 80 cubic centimeter. The initial reading, first reading I took it as 80 cubic centimeter. What I will do further, I will sink this spherical body inside the liquid and I will see how much the water level will rise. I will sink it and I will observe it keenly. पूरा इसको sink करिए और देखिए. Now from 80 it reaches to 90. 10 cubic centimeter का level rise हो गया. So after dipping, जो फाइनल रीडिंग आई है दैट इज 90 cubic centimeter. तो डेफिनेटली द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द वॉल्यूम, फाइनल वॉल्यूम आफ्टर डिपिंग बॉडी 90, इनिशियल विदाउट डिपिंग वाज 80, so it is coming as 10. Now secondly, for the second observation again I will sink. अब let's see, probably the water level will change. No, but it is same. Again I will sink it inside and I will see again the level is reaching to the 90. The second observation will also the same. Second initial reading was 80. The final reading is 90. Again the difference is 90 minus 80, that is 10. I told you earlier also, if the difference is coming in the readings, don't worry. When we will take the arithmetic mean, that all will be rectified. So if it is coming same, then well and good. If it is not coming same, then don't bother about it. Again, let's come to the third observation. Initial reading is same as 80. After sinking, again it is reaching to 90 only. So the third observation is also same. Initial is 80, third is 90, final is 90. It is 90 minus 80 is equal to 10. Let's find the mean of it. Mean will be again 10 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 3. It is coming 10 cubic centimeter. We have calculated the mass with the help of a spring balance. We have calculated the volume with the help of measuring cylinder. Now let's come to the calculation. Calculation, as we know, density is equal to mass upon volume. So mass, the mean mass which I took was 75. The volume is 10 cubic centimeter. So it is coming 7.5 gram per centimeter cube. So the required density, usually it is denoted by a symbol rho, that is equal to 7.5 gram per centimeter cube. This is the result of this experiment which we have performed. You will try to do by yourself. Thank you.